Kumusta ba? Hindi naman problema yon. It should be an encouragement rather than something this should discourage you. Ay, hindi ko kaya. Hindi. They are successful in their own way. They are looking for men who can be faithful, who can be loving, and someone they can look up. Ano? There's a big difference between success and happiness. In a relationship, what is important is you can love one another. There's a saying in Tagalog, hindi bali nang magdildil kami ng asin, basta kami ay nagmamahalan. Kaysa nag-uulam kami ng karne na hindi kami nagtitiwala sa isa't isa. Kung ako sigurang babae, at meron isang lalaking merong malakas ang loob na lumapit sa akin, kahit na nakikita niya na ako ay mas successful sa kanya, mas igagalang ko yun. Alam ko may tibay ng dibdib yun eh. May tibay ng dibdib, may tiwala sa sarili. What is really important at the end is what your hearts can keep and not what your hands can hold. Doon sa mga lalaki na intimidated ng kanilang mga crush, yung kanilang mga dawang kaya ito, mayayaman, successful, ha? Ay, sayang. Magandang maliwanag sa iyo kung sino ka. Okay?